Now we do get lots of Range Rover Sports here, the brand new model ones, like this one behind me. Now this is a very special one because it isn't just a dynamic SE with a D300 engine, it's got loads of other extras that really do stand out on this particular car. It's a 23 registration, so first of all that means you've got the remainder of the manufacturer's warranty till 2026, and that's with Land Rover. It's in the Santorini Black, which is a metallic black, but then it's got the full black styling pack on, and that does look really well because it's got that lovely stealthy look about it. It's a brand new model car, and the brand new model car, everything has changed. From the headlights, the bumpers, the grills, the badging, all the way down to the interior. It's nice and flush, super sporty. It's a brilliant SUV because it's a car you can drive every single day and returns decent miles per gallon. It's brilliant on the road, and if you ever do go off-road, it is also very, very capable. But it's just a good car because it's spacious, and look at the way the car looks, it's fabulous. But from the front, the little things that we talk about all the time, which is nice and neat, is a lovely glass piece here, which is the LED daytime running lights. And just behind, you can see the quad lighting system. That's the full adaptive LED matrix headlights. Really do make a difference for visibility, and it looks cool as well. The black styling starts off with the badges here, but then the grille. And if you haven't noticed, the new shape Range Rover Sport has a nice, sort of smaller but sharper grille. Nice sharp angles. The flushed bumpers with the headlight washers are built into the bumper, and then the dynamic SE means the upgraded bumpers here with the front splitter section. If you look at some of the cars which are just the SE, which is a fabulous car but doesn't have this section, and some of it has a plastic finish, this is all colour coded. You've then got the LED front fog lights at the bottom, and they're an extra. Other things like front rear parking sensors, which you fully expect on every new car these days. This one has got that, but then it's got park assist, and it's got the 360-degree camera system, front cameras, side cameras, and then the rear camera. So again, for parking, it's absolutely a doddle, no problem whatsoever. As you come to the side of the car, the first thing you'll notice is the flush lining system. It's nice and simple, but looks very, very good. But the biggest optional extra on this car is the 23-inch upgraded alloy wheels in perfect condition in high gloss black. We talk about wheels all the time, we say how big they are, how nice they look, but what does it actually do? It fills the arches, that's what it does. It just looks well finished. If this car had 21-inch wheels or 22-inch wheels, would it be a bad car? No, absolutely not. But if you're going to spend this sort of money, why not get the upgraded wheels if you can? Because it does look better. Resale value as well, it'll be better. You've then got front and rear mud flaps, and then this one does have the black fixed side steps. Contrasting black roof, and then you've got the sun protection glass. The new shape Range Rover Sports have the electric deployable door handles, like a lot of the products in the Range Rovers now. Comfort access as well, so if the keys are in your pocket or your bag, as you walk up to the car, it will unlock, and as you walk away, you press that, it locks for you, and the wing mirrors fold in. The wing mirrors are nice and big, so it's nice that they're folding so no one's going to knock them, and you do have the LED strip light there as well. Double glazed windows for soundproofing, but then look at that beautiful light cloud interior, which starts off with the door card, and then you have the textured trim there, which is again awesome. That lovely black sort of chrome bezel that starts off with the door card all the way through the centre dash and the centre tunnel. Other features like electric memory and heated seats. Rear seats are also heated, and then this car has another optional extra, which is a tilt and sliding panoramic roof with the electric slider. Meridian sound system. To get in and out, use the steps, but then this car has air suspension, so again, you can put it to access height like I have, just to make it getting in and out a lot easier. There's the bezel, which is beautiful. Button for the top dash, button from the bottom dash, and then you have the new short shifter gear stick here, the dual zone climate control, so the passenger can have a different temperature to the driver, or you can synchronize it by pressing the sync button. Front and rear heated windscreen. A lot of times we'll just say it's got front heated windscreen, and if you haven't had a Jaguar Land Rover or a Ford before, a lot of the other brands don't have this. If you look closely, you won't be able to see from the camera, I doubt it very much. But in the windscreen, there's about 400 little wire mesh lines. The same wire mesh lines that you get on the back screen, but there's only about 15 there. There's about 400 there, so when you press that button, 60 seconds, any snow, ice, it just clears it all like that, and that's a brilliant feature to have. Stop start button. All the seat options are on there as well, from heated seats to different electric options as well. You can also control the rear heated seats from here. And then with this being a touchscreen media system, it's very easy to use. Starting off with the navigation, you have got Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, Bluetooth connectivity, the media side of stuff, and then you have the other 4x4 settings and information that is useful. 2 keys. I mention 2 keys all the time as well because it's amazing. There was a period of time where Land Rovers only gave you 1 key and 1 blade, literally just like this. And you thought, wow, is that all I'm getting for £100,000? Because I ran out of chips. So when a car does have 2 keys, we do try and mention it. twin cup holders, but if you pull this compartment backwards, there's USB, USB-C and a hidden compartment here as well. The centre armrest is leather wrapped and you've got more cubbyhole space underneath. Beautiful piano black finish there as well. The frameless interior mirror, sun visor, lights and mirror as well. Just a brilliant car. As for the back, so the rear passengers get the same light cloud and ebony interior, rear heated seats, fully fitted mats front and rear, lots of space for all your friends and family, but I'm going to get in and quickly show you how much space there actually is. So if you're a rear seat passenger in this car, you're comfortable. The rear seats do recline as well. You've also got your own cup holders here and a little compartment space, ISOFIX attachments, and every passenger does get a 3-point seat belt. Put your magazines there, your iPads there, do what you want, and remember this blind goes all the way back, letting in so much more light. Front airbags, side airbags, rear airbags, a very safe car, but a very cool car. As you get to the back of the car, the first thing you'll notice is the triple LED lighting system. It's got a nice flush look to it, everything's black. If you haven't noticed already, this little section of the rear diffuser is slightly different because this car does have an electric deployable tow bar. With it being a D300 3-litre, 300 brake horsepower diesel engine, it's very capable for towing. And if you're going to tow with this car, you press this button here. Electronically, the tow bar comes out, utilise it. Once you finish using it, press it again and it goes away. Out of sight, out of mind. Ideal. This rear shelf covers all your valuables, and then if you pull it back, you can see the seats go down 40, 40, 20, and that means you can have a passenger sat on that side and just have the midsection down, or vice versa. 12-volt socket. The previous customers very kindly left the rubber mat in there, so that keeps it nice and clean. And then underneath, you've got a bit more cubbyhole space as well. Press that button, it goes down. You've got the top spoiler on there, high-level brake light. It's just a stunning car from every angle. But then let's go to another big extra on this car, because a lot of the D300 Dynamic SEs haven't got this extra. And that is heads-up display. That's something you get on first edition, autobiography. But to get it in this car with the 23-inch wheels, it really has full specification, everything that you need, including the adaptive cruise control, steering assist, heated steering wheel, voice control, everything's touchscreen with a full TFT digital dashboard. You really aren't missing anything that's useful. Other things, yes, that you would like on top, but the boxes can tick forever. Put it into reverse and your 360 camera system with the off-road camera system as well. If you want to look at any particular angle for any good reason, you can do, so you're not going to curb the wheels, for example. It's that simple. R for reverse, N for neutral, and then D for drive. Press the P button to park. Behind the steering wheel, you have the paddle shift, automatic headlights, automatic window wipers. This really is a brilliant car. My name's Joe. This is going live now. If you have been looking at D300 Dynamic SEs and you're saving yourself £1,000, for example, and you've come across this video, trust me, that extra little bit of money for the 23-inch wheels, the side steps, the mud flaps, the sliding roof, and most importantly, the heads-up display. Don't miss out. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye now.